How to debrief a stop. To debrief a stop, first click on a trip on the trip calendar, planning map or trip list. You can debrief all of the stops on the trip using the debrief buttons or via the burger menu. Drivers can also debrief via the Transport Angel app. Alternatively, to debrief each stop individually, click the Debrief Detail button before adding details of the delivery, including, if available, a POD. Mark the trip as complete. Any fully completed jobs will now move to invoicing.